So guys, I was actually making a video when I received a notification from Selar. So in this video, I want to show you how I withdraw my money from Selar. If you don't know, Selar is actually a platform where you can upload your digital product and sell digital product and your services online and make money for yourself. Now, the beautiful thing about Selar is that you can make money in foreign currencies. You can sell to foreigners and get paid in dollars. I've been using this over and over and it works. Okay, so quickly, if you look at this place now, you can see the date and the time. Today is Wednesday, 2nd of October, and currently I'm making this video by 1:35 a.m. This is midnight, all right? Wednesday, 2nd of October 2024. So now I'm just going to show you the message that Selar sent me. If you check here now, you see what Selar just sent, a notification in my email, and the notification says your payout of 14,269 naira has been credited to your wallet. Selar wallet payout. Can you see the amount there? Now, this money was money that was paid in dollars. Are you getting now? So you just got a new payout, an equivalent of $10, 16, whatever, has been paid to your Selar wallet, and it is available for you to withdraw right away. So you can see now what this is telling me that is that I can withdraw this money now. All right, so I'll just click on this now. Once I click on this now, it will take me straight to my email. Okay, it will take me straight to my email. You can see this, my email. You can see the message. You can see the message now. You can see it. Your payout of 14,269 has been credited to your wallet. Are you seeing now? So what I will do now, if I want to withdraw the funds now, I will go to my Selar. Are you getting now? I will go to my Selar. Now, I will not click on withdraw funds. I can click it directly, but I want to just take you to my Selar account so we can look at this very well. All right. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, my name is Awajimam and I welcome you to this channel. All right. On this channel, I teach you things, practical things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So if you're thinking of ways to make money for yourself, this is a channel you should follow because I show you everything. I tell you the mistakes that you should avoid. Okay, so in this video we just want to see how we can withdraw the funds. Now, if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. Okay, like this video, subscribe. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. So I won't click on withdraw funds. I'll come here and click on view dashboard. So I'll click on my dashboard. All right, so it will take me straight to my Selar dashboard. All right, so let's wait for it to load. Good. You can see now this is my Selar dashboard and I have about 12 products on this place. In this platform, I have 12 products. You can see now. So you can see the money, product earning. You can see $10, 10 US dollars. You can see it now. So that is the money now. If I want to withdraw this money now, let me show you how I will do it. I'll come to these three lines that is at the top right here. I'll click on it. Once you click on it, this thing will show. Are you seeing now? So I will scroll here and come to wallet and payout. So I'll click on it once. So once you click on it now, we want to first check what is in the wallet before we withdraw. Are you getting now? We want to check what is in the wallet before we withdraw. So I'm going to click on wallet. I'll click on wallet. So once I click on wallet, just watch. Can you see the money in the wallet? That means the money has been transferred from US dollars down to my Nigerian account, my Nigerian money. So it is available for me to withdraw now. Now, if we scroll now, you can see other money that I've received. You can see all the other monies that I've received. We can go to next page if we want. you can see different monies that I have received on this seller account. All right, if you sell digital products, you can make a lot of money selling your knowledge online. If you want to learn how this works, go to the comment section and drop digital product, drop the word digital product, so you can see the money is there. So if I want to withdraw this money now, are you see now, I'll just click on withdraw funds. Once I click on withdraw funds, the money will be sent to my account. Are you getting now? Once I click on, because of this video, I'm just showing you this. I won't withdraw this money now. Okay, I won't withdraw this money now because I'm keeping it for something. But if I want to withdraw it now, I'll just click on withdraw funds. And once I click on withdraw funds, the money will be sent straight to my local bank accounts. Are you getting this now? So this is how to withdraw your funds from Selar. If you have not been making money online and you know how to do anything, you know how to teach people anything, something that people can pay money for, you should learn how to create digital products and sell it on Selar. If you want to learn how I do this, I have a mentorship community. I have a mentorship class that I always teach people how to do this. All right, so if you want to learn how this works, this is a paid mentorship that you will learn everything step by step how I do it. Okay, what you are going to do is to go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, and I'll send you a link to how you're going to access the mentorship, to how you're going to make payments. All right, or you can check the link in the description. You can check the link in the description. I'll drop all those details for you there. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make money online by creating and selling digital products, you can follow all the things I've just said now. Drop a comment for me, check the link in the description, and you get all the details you need to get about how to join my mentorship. All right, so this is how to withdraw your funds from Selar. I believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be notified. All right, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.